Want to add VPN extension on Chrome browser? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Now you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, select extensions. You will find two options: manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Select visit Chrome Web Store. Now click on the search bar and search VPN. Here you will find different VPN options. Select whichever it is that you prefer. Now click on that. Here you want to click on the Add to Chrome option. Then on this box select Add Extension. Now as you can see, the downloading will begin. After it has been downloaded, you can simply click on this extension icon. Now pin this if you want. Once you have pinned it, click on this VPN icon. Now click on Continue, then click on Start. Now simply click on the on option, and as you can see, the VPN has been successfully connected. In these steps, you can easily add VPN extension on Chrome browser, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.